Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today's video we are going to see an important topic which is what is Power BI report. If you are watching our channel for the first time, not to worry, just go ahead and watch other videos in our channel and then you can check, and if you're liking our channel videos, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Right? Let's start with today's question. So Power BI report, what is Power BI report? A Power BI report is a multi-page collection of visualizations, interactive elements that allow us to explore and analyze the data in detail. Ideally, this first one and a half line says that it's a multi-page collections. Unlike Power BI dashboard, which is for a single pager, Power BI report is giving you the multi-page collection visualizations and interactive elements that users allow users to explore and analyze the data in detail. So it is not only a multi-page collection; it also the interactive visualization. You can just interact it by giving the filter or slicer according to your wish by the users. So that's where they can able to easily analyze and explore it according to that. So that's where this Power BI report is meant for, and also it provides a more in-depth view of data compared to the dashboard, offering interactive features and multi-pages to explore different aspects in the data. The similar way that the first two lines what it's saying the same, but the thing is like it's like if you have multiple pages, right, you can more deeply dive into the drill down features, and you can get more details sort of things, right? Suppose for an example, if I want to get something about sales, right, I can get, in the summary page I can get only for um, overall summarized view. But if I go have multiple pages, I can drill through for each region wise, location wise, even each agent how much they have sold for last month and current month. All this comparison I can able to achieve through the multiple pages of deep diving, in-depth analysis as well. So this is the definition which is provided for our Power BI report. And let's see what are the key features and available in Power BI report. The first point which they are mentioning is multiple pages. So it says that reports are often structured with multiple pages, each displaying different aspects of the data or with different visualizations. Yeah. So since we have multiple pages, let's say if you have 5-6 pages of dashboard report, where you can, the first page giving you the summary. From there, you have, let's say you have 6 dimensions, from city, region, country, and salesperson, and which exact location is it, in a prime location or something. For each report, right, for each and every location, you can able to end up, have a different pages to drill down it. So if you drill down through location wise, so you can able to get, okay, in this particular location, what is the sales for last month and current month, last year and current year, and which agent is performed well in that particular region. All these things you can able to get it from that multiple pages report. Interactive elements, yes, that is where the Power BI is designed for. You can able to get the interactive details, based on the slicer or filter you're applying, you can able to get it over this interactive elements. Detailed analysis, yes, reports are designed for in-depth analysis, allowing users to deep dive into data, perform ad hoc analysis, and explore multiple options. Which means, so if you have a multiple pages, right, you can in-depthly you can able to analyze this. I said you can go for, month, year, month, week, and also day wise, and even if you want, if you have a data for a, time interval basis, right, you can able to deep dive into that particular location, and you can get the data, get the sales report for that particular time interval as well. Suppose, for an example, I have a supermarket and I have a data of last 3 years. Now I want to compare the last month sale for this particular time period. Let's say from evening 6 to 9 p.m. for every days in a month. So that I can able to achieve, because that will give me the complete picture. Okay, 6 to 9, what is my sales? And if I bucketize it from 12 to 6, 12 in the afternoon to 6 in the evening, what is the sales? Every 3 hours, 6 hours, according to our wish, we can able to deeply analyze this particular data which we are looking for. The next one is data exploration. Reports enable users to explore the data further by interacting with visualizations, uncovering deeper insights, and answering complex business questions. Yes. So the last point answers our complete meaning. Answering the complex business questions. Whatever we are going to do, this particular line says that the whatever the last point we have discussed, it gives the complex business questions. Yeah, if suppose in our senior manager asked me like to get the result of I want to analyze for the last 3-4 hours of particular time periods sales, and I want to see that you can able to explore the data with the help of this particular reports in detail. The last is visualizations. Reports utilize various visualization types such as chart, graph, tables, and maps to display the data in clear and understandable manner. Yes, the reports not only give us the table, you can able to create a chart. Multiple chart as we have available, and that is also interactive maps for the location wise analysis, and we have key influences. We have scatterplot chart, waterfall chart, tree map visuals. All these things are very helpful, and we can able to get it done with the help of this Power BI reports. Hope this particular explanation about what is Power BI report finds useful for you. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to assist you all. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from me. Thank you. Have a great day.